What is going on, everybody? Today we got in new a Microtech Socom Alpha Mini fixed blade knife, and I just so happened to buy this on Black Friday, so we have a few extra freebies from the Black Friday sale at BladeHQ. So let's take a look and see what we have today. Get this opened up. And we have peanuts. Always nice and messy. So, BladeHQ sticker. Now we're just going to get CIVIVI knife. That's in a big box itself. Okay, let's get the peanuts out of here. So we got a patch, their typical sprinkle donuts patch here. I love knives, basically. Okay, pretty cool. What we got going on here? Alright, so nifty little pry bar by Gerber. Got the little, well, I guess it's like G10 or something like that, it looks like. Yeah, very cool. For free. Can't beat it for free, that's for sure. So that's pretty cool. And we have a CIVIVI knife. Scintilla. Okay. Very cool. I'm a pretty big fan of CIVIVI knives. Now, of course, this obviously is not going to be a Tanto, but it's alright. Typical packing by CIVIVI. Oh, that's a little guy, too. Very cool. We got green, flipper tab. Cute little guy. Again, for free. Guess I really can't complain. Oops. Not the most drop shutty action ever, but yeah, pretty cool. Alright, let's get to the big boy here. Might need a pry bar to get this thing going here. Doesn't want to. There she goes. Oh, there we go. Just drop everything everywhere. Very cool. Get rid of that big ass box. Okay, very cool. Now, of course, I do have plans to make a leather sheath for this, so I'm probably really not looking too much for that, but this is what we're looking at. We got the Apocalyptic blade. Yeah, G10. Very nice. Fits good in the hand. Not bad size-wise either. It's so hard to find good fixed blades that have a smaller footprint. So, because when you start getting into some of the bigger knives, yeah, this thing's a beast. Definitely holds the knife, that's for sure. But yeah, when you start getting into the bigger the knife, the bigger the sheath, and before you know it, you start really getting into a heck of a footprint. Very, very cool. And this is, yeah, M390. So, yeah, love. Oh, it was always kind of wondering about this jimping and how it would feel, and it's It's actually chamfered down pretty good, so you feel it, but it doesn't feel sharp in the hand, and I was always kind of wondering about that. It might feel aggressive if you have sensitive hands. I have worker's hands, so not too sensitive, but I like that size. I think that's pretty, it seemed kind of big now, and it is kind of big to the tactile German knife. And let's, throw the Kyoto one. Let's see what else. Let's bring in the Bradford. So yeah, pretty close to the Bradford as far as size. The Microtech's got just a little bit more of everything. And of course the Bradford's just a great knife. A great knife. I mean, it just feels super smooth in the hand. It really does. Really do enjoy that knife. But this one, yeah, I do kind of like that. Again, it's very different contours than the Bradford, but it's still, like, you still choke up on it, and still really does feel very confident in your hand. Get rid of those. So yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. And it's got some heft to it too, boy. Yeah, it's definitely outweighs the Bradford. Now, I mean, if you're concerned about weight, obviously the Bradford is probably more the way to go. But for a knife that's a little on the compact side, but still kind of on that aggressive tactical side, I think that the Microtech definitely brings a more aggressive aspect to it. And I think with a good leather sheath, I think it would really be good. Problem is with Kydex, it mars the blade. You start getting scratches all over the blades. It's not necessarily the biggest deal in the world, but this is all hard too. And when you're working all day, you have all these hard pieces that are going to dig into you. It's just not the same with a really good leather sheath, and that a leather sheath that kind of fits you where you want to carry it and how you want to carry it. And that's still something I'm still kind of experimenting with, as far as, like, do I want to put it in the pocket, or put it on my belt, or where and how do I want to position it. So there you guys go. Just a quick look at my new Microtech Socom Alpha Mini. And like I said, yeah, it's kind of what I was expecting. Got a good form to it. So there you guys go. We'll catch you later. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.